Hello everyone, my name is Nadine. I'm the owner of NG Platinum Homes and welcome. Today we're going to talk about Japandi and how you can incorporate that design style into your home. I absolutely love this design style, and basically what Japandi is, if you haven't heard of it, it's Scandinavian design mixed with Japanese design. And there's a few elements from both sides that comes together and makes it what it is, Japandi. So let's talk about it. The number one thing that this design style is the use of organic materials. Organic materials are used quite a bit in this Japandi style. So you want to look into using things like natural woods, rattan, and things of that nature that will make your space really incorporate this design completely. This design also incorporates neutral color palettes like creams, tans, light browns, and sage greens into your space. Unlike Scandinavian style, Japandi also incorporates a little bit of that wabi-sabi, which is a more rustic feel, and I have a video on that as well. Well, the Scandinavian design style is more clean, streamlined aesthetic. Incorporating this style into your home, the use of natural light is very important. So if you have curtains on your windows, you want to change those and incorporate a more light, airy, clean linens to really open up the space and make it more bright and let that natural light in. Minimalism is also a very big key feature in Japandi design. So in your home, the first step before decorating your home in this design is declutter. And I know that can be a feat for most people, but it's very important because this is a very huge component of Japandi design. This is a very huge component of Japandi design, is using minimal decor and minimal things in your space. So decluttering is very important. So the less is more feel is the vibe that you want to go to when incorporating Japandi into your home. The other key element that I want to mention is plants. So the use of plants in your space is another very big key feature in Japandi design, and you really want to bring that element of bringing the outdoors in. So using things like snake plants and things of that nature really are going to incorporate that into your home. And you can also consider making a Zen garden, and that also will help you bring that Japandi design into your space. So I hope this explanation of Japandi was helpful for you, and you can accomplish it by some of my key tips into your own home. Until then, keep designing your life, and I'll see you in the next one.